And there he comes.
Man. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Back to back and get your block held. Pistol whip the kill. Sipping on the steel. Give a fuck about how you fish in the sun. If they ask me about I'm walking way before him.
Like this, and you pick the drill over here, and it goes on top.
Alright, how's it going, guys? Chris here, the Supercar Suspects. Hope you guys are having a great day. As you guys can tell, we just showed up here at the trap cabin. What are these pants, Andre? Come here.
Hey, I'm feeling tropical.
This guy thinks he's in Hawaii or something. It kind of looks like Hawaii if you come like right here.
Like right here.
And just close your eyes and imagine yourself in Hawaii. As you guys can tell by the title, we're installing my brand new ETS 4-inch intercooler. I waited about a month and a half for it. Technically, it's only legal for track usage, but this is a track car, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Wow, wow, wow. Bitch, I'm the baby. It's not opening!
Whoa.
Why do we choose the hottest day to do this? We're dying out here. This intercooler weighs more than me. Actually, it's not that bad. Alright, it's time for the unboxing.
Hey, hold on, we gotta get the lights.
A1 lighting.
Whoa. Whoa.
Alright, now we have sufficient room to do this. It's a pretty big box. And it's 4 inches thick, so it's a little thick boy right here. Who cuts a box open like that? What is wrong with you? Just... There you go. What is this?
What are those?
It's some bricks. No, we got some good stuff in here, you know. It's not just an intercooler. We got some of that dank, you know.
From Colombia.
Straight from Colombia. Look at this.
Colombia.
Great stuff, man. I was expecting like some epic like unboxing, but it's just sitting at the top.
That's it?
That's it. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, but look how thick this boy is. Oh my days.
Thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Tell me this does not sound like Chewbacca right here. Tell me this does not sound like Chewbacca. We have ran into a little problem right here. I waited a month and a half for it, and it's a little bent on the, well, not a little bent, it's pretty bad right here, so I guess we're gonna have to hammer it out, pull it out, something.
Or I'm guessing money back guarantee.
I am not waiting another month and a half for an intercooler. Okay, let's get started.
Ooh. There you go.
Honestly, I'm very proud of you. This guy got the front bumper off all alone, man. I'll let you even take it off, dude. Great work, Tata. I've installed everything in an engine bay before. I've done like intakes, upper intercooler, piping, blowout valve, stuff like that. I've never done an intercooler, so this is kind of new for me, but it can't be that hard. It's honestly just like 2 bolts down here. Use a flathead to take these 2 out, this suction cup out, replace it, and then we're pretty much done. It's a quick install. It's pretty simple. You're just using a screwdriver pretty much to take out 2 bolts. You loosen the clamps, it pops right out. And it's not hot, thankfully, so it should be a quick install. By quick, I mean it takes us like 2 hours to take 4 bolts out. The lower intercooler piping is stuck to the intercooler, and we're trying to take it out, but it's not working, so we gotta figure this out.
We need some lube, bro. The struggle is real, guys. Takes a whole force. Whoa! Whoa!
I got it out.
2 thumbs up.
What is that? Look at this, bro. They straight up super glued this thing on. All right, it should just drop to the floor.
I was laying on a rock.
Ah, easy. Here we have the garbage OEM one. I believe this is 2.5 inches. I'm pretty sure. Weighs absolutely nothing. Carried in one hand. And here we have the ETS 4-inch one. I believe it's 1.5 inches thicker, or maybe even 2. I'm not sure exactly. But the aftermarket one, much heavier, 4 inches thick ETS. Time to slap this bad boy on, you know? Look how many dead flies are in my intercooler. Okay. Check this out. Sorry, buddy.
It's because you were going faster than Usain Bolt, bro.
Drive like your kids live here. Look how many dead flies are on my intercooler. Poor guy. Look at this guy. Innocent. He didn't do anything. I just killed him. Hey, take it easy, pal. It's an expensive intercooler, okay? We're having an attempt at bending this straight and making a perfect circle. It's kind of working. Hopefully we don't like crack it or break it.
Whoa. There you go.
Todd had the great idea of, you know, using WD-40 on this.
I'm lubing it up.
To lube it up, and so we could slip it in real quick.
Slip and slide.
But it's not working. We got the hard part taken care of. WD-40 came in clutch, slipped right in.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna tighten this suction thingy right here to 2 bolts underneath. We're gonna put my useless hella horn that's not even connected to anything back on. Front bumper back on. Food vlog. We're gonna have some fun here at the trap house. and then that's gonna be the day. So we just finished ordering food. We got another 15 minutes or so until it's ready, huh? We gotta go pick it up. I'm gonna drive the Evo there, see if I can feel any difference with it. It is a little bit of thicker, obviously more airflow is entering it, keeping the car cooler. I don't know if I'm gonna feel a difference or not. There's only one way to find out. While you tighten the bolts, I gotta get to work with the zip ties. We came prepared with some heavy duty zip ties because yeah, the little clip here is broken and you know it hangs and then this scrapes on my tire and then the wrap gets destroyed just like this, so we gotta zip tie it on. Yeah, I'm missing the Raptors jersey, man. It hasn't came out in a while, huh, Andre?
No.
We gotta bring him back. Next video, tomorrow's video, we're bringing back the Raptors jersey just for you guys. We have just finished with the ETS 4-inch intercooler install. It looks pretty badass. I did not get the stenciling on it because, I don't know, I just don't like how it looks. I like it clean and simple like this. Looking very, very badass, slowly coming together. Now I could have waited another 2 weeks for my motor to start getting built and then just slap on the intercooler real quick right then and there. But I have no patience. You guys knowing me, I have a huge box thing in my living room. I gotta open it up. I gotta throw it on the car. I could also put the fuel pumps and the whole fuel kit on right now. Go get an E85 tune, but it's honestly not worth the $400 or $500 for a tune just to drive it for another week. So E85 will be coming after the motor build. Back guys in the S2K. I don't know how that transition just happened, but it's nighttime now. A quick transition, 1 second for you guys, a few hours for me. We're in the S2000. We got Andre behind the camera. And I've noticed you guys love the whole messing around compilations where we go driving around, car washes, stuff like that. So I figured today's video is pretty short so we can drive around, hit some VTEC when VTEC hits. Oh my, holy dude, that was like 20. Check this guy out. Hey, how much do one of those go for, pal?
More than you can afford, pal.
Late night munchies equals happy Chris. VTEC equals happy Chris. It's unbelievable how much fun you can actually have with the car. You can give me a Civic, a Corolla, a Camry, a freaking Buick. I don't care. Give me anything. I will have a blast driving it, especially at night. Nobody's out here. The streets are a race course, literally. We gotta make a U-turn. Supercar Suspects makes a U-turn only one way, and we gotta break it in, you know. So I don't know how this works, but right into the VTEC. Tonight's mission, guys, is to break in the car, and there's only, I mean, one way to break in the car, and I'm pretty sure you guys already know what it is. Your Uber's here.
Oh,
come on
coming.
In. Come on in. Hurry up before the cops come.
Alright, bro, let's go.
Oh, I love VTEC, dude. Wow. Technology. Now guys, that is enough VTEC for tonight. My ears are about to explode. The drone on S2000s are insane. If you guys haven't sat in the S2000 with the top down with an exhaust system, it just drones like bah. Got the in-depth review of the S2000, full walk around, drive-bys, maybe some donuts. I'm gonna show you guys the interior, exterior of the car, the engine bays, some revving, some drive-bys. Just a good time. We're gonna head on down to the canyons near Malibu, maybe Neptune's, grab some fish and chips, and then the following day we actually got a banger. We're installing exhaust. Finally, thank you, God. Oh, they got an exhaust.
Jesus!
Much love to every single one of you guys that watch the videos every single day, that were watching the live stream just now. We did a few dares just for fun. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.